As we look back to a rich history in fabric, trading dated back to 1st century, the prominent muslin fabric remains as the most celebrated one till today. The plain weave 100% cotton fabric was hand-woven in region near then Dhaka, presently Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. The textile earned a reputation all over the world for its quality and wonder in weaving craftsmen. Muslin remains as a glorious past. Since then, we are always connected to the textile tradition. Here comes the NZ Tex Group Bangladesh. With its vigor and color in denim and fabric, a family-owned business since 1982, currently running 4 business units. The brand itself reinterprets sustainable textile heritage into prints that tell stories of where and why they are made. NZ Tex Group is the only linen manufacturer of the country. In the manufacturing process of linen fabrics, we are using the best quality European raw materials. For over a decade, we're holding a mission to provide customer with quality product in faster manner. Other than linen, as part of yarn production, there are tencel, cyro, viscose, poly, rayon, color, and sulfur dyes. We imply different types of dyeing such as reactive, pigment, and VAT for non-denim products. NZ Tex also takes care of special finish such as wrinkle-free, Teflon water, repellent, easy care, etc. NZ has a wide variety of both denim and non-denim products, ranging from 100% linen, 100% tencel, 100% cotton, cyro, cotton viscose, cotton linen, cotton tencel, multiple blend ration, cotton poly, and cotton poly spandex. For most of these products, NZ can produce in a sustainable manner, for example, reprieve, recycle, organic, and BCI. Today, NZ has one of the most sophisticated vertically integrated setups with modern technology, lab tests, and skilled manpower. Our R&D team continuously developing different types of sustainable products as well as process. NZ is doing continuous day-to-day research to reach the sustainability goal. NZ Tex contributes largely to environmental sustainability in water, greenhouse gases, electricity, social, health and safety, and many more. NZ Tex Group is producing for the leading fashion brands in the Europe, USA, and Asia-Japan markets. Only a sustainable plant can produce sustainable products. NZ is an OECO-Tex, OCS, GRS, GOTS, and European Flag certified factory. Is also followed by international events like Tex World Paris. In the near future, NZ is going to open new windows of production units, such as poly-recycled filament yarn, linen and linen blends yarn dye unit, and a digital and rotary printing unit. Sincerity. It speaks from the heart, for there is a place you can hear it everywhere. You can feel it in the sheets, for it is the fabric that binds us. It is the light that illuminates our actions. It is the innovation that makes us different. Here, every little detail matters because you matter. Welcome to our world, where sincerity blends with life. Sincerely yours. NZ Text Group